Welcome back to Madcap Toys, everybody. My name is Kathy, and welcome back to the Toy Barn. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. I hope you're selling so much stuff you don't know what to do. And if you're not a reseller, welcome to the Toy Channel. We love you. We appreciate all of you. And we thank you guys for being a part of us. In this video, we're going to talk about some of these items that we sold today, or actually sold in the last day or two, that actually flipped kind of quick on eBay. We had all three sites move with us on this video. So we had eBay, Mercari, as well as Poshmark make some sales happen. So I'm going to be glad to speak with you in regards to all of these sites that gave us sales. We also have about 12 to 14 more items that are still in queue. They're still pending, waiting for me to get those orders processed and get them packed and ready for those different dates. But we're going to show you 12 items today, the first 12 items that we have had sold in the last 48 hours. And we're going to show you that right here and now. But before we begin, if you like the video, go ahead and wait until the end. We would love that, as well as comments. We love them so much, and we love everything you guys share with us, your results, how you sell, if you don't sell, what you like about the channel, etc. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the Madcap Toys family. We would love for you to be a part of us. And then also hit the bell for all notifications, because each and every time we upload content, you're going to be the first one to know. So let's start out a little bit today. Here's one that flipped very quick. This is actually sold on Mercari. This item came from our pallet, our death pile we're working on. We call it a death pile, but we have a big death pile of pallets, not only case packs, but also things that are in plastic packaging. Some things are out of plastic packaging, but this particular one was out of plastic packaging, and it sold really quick within like 24 to 48 hours. We're going to show that to you real quick. It's sold on Mercari. It's really cute too. And it probably could have been purchased for back to school. I'm not really sure, but look at this cute little tiger here. He's got that smile on his face, right? It's really nice. It's a Target item. It's from Cat and Jack. It is the Cat and Jack Jungle Tiger shirt, and it is size extra large. And it's going out to Philip. Hi, Philip. For $10 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Philip, for that. And then also on Mercari, we sell these from time to time. I really like these characters, especially around the Halloween season, but I'm sure they've got like a horror type WizKids HeroClix piece that they use. If you can see them, you see Freddy Krueger on the one side, and then on the very other side, you see Jason. See Jason, if you ever watch the horror movies from the 80s and so forth. So this is the 2008 WizKids HeroClix Freddy versus Jason, and it's going out to Val. Hey Val, for $6. So this was a slight offer that was taken. I think we only took about $1 off of it. But yeah, this is going out to you in the AM. Thank you so much, Val. And an oldie but a goodie. Who does not remember, if you lived as a child through the 80s, about the GoBots, right? This is the 1985 Tonka GoBot Power Suits. And it's going out to Chris. Hey, Chris, for $12. Really nice. I mean, the card's a little bit bent, right? So it's been around and maybe in storage somewhere. Not us, but when we had purchased it. So the card's not in perfecto condition, but still yet great to hang. Or if not, if you don't like the card, of course, you can always take out the figure and have it on display. So yeah, Chris, is going out to you in the AM. Thank you so much. And then Daren bought a small lot of these. They were in sealed plastic packaging. We didn't seal them, but they came as sealed. And he has, I think, maybe about 4 or 5 of these. Not really sure. But we sold one of them, if you can see it. This is the 2000 Funko T800 Terminator action figure. And it's going out to Andrew. Hi, Andrew. For $9. Really, really cool. Like I said, I don't know if it was manufactured like this in the sealed plastic. But this was made available to us. And so Daren picked up a lot of these. So this particular one's going out to you, Andrew, in the AM. Thank you. And then we're moving on ahead to eBay. So we have a coin here on eBay that we sold. This is the 1953D Ben Franklin Full Bell Lines Gem Brilliant Uncirculated, going out to John. Hi, John, for $40. Really nice, very shiny, very well conditioned. As you know, if it's in a mint state and you're showing the full bell lines, you know that's going to be a really, really good condition coin, and it's going out to you. Thank you so much, John. And then we have last one of these. This I had bought at a retail arbitrage. I had a few of them, each in a different color. But this is our last one. This is the Rismo plush toy Berry, because he's pink, so they call him the berry color. This interactive doll, it says that if he magically grows up, he swings and talks rhythms. He has music. You can record songs. There's a color challenge. You can dance to music. All different kinds of things. So really cool. And again, it's a Rismo Berry color. I don't know if his name's Berry, but the color. It's going out to Lori. Hey, Lori, for $19.99. Really cute, and I hope whoever this goes out to has bunches of fun with it. Thank you so much. And then, of course, from time to time, we also sell lots of loose action figures, and this in particular came from our superhero tote. This is the 1993 DC Comics Mr. Freeze action figure. It's going out to Scott. Hey, Scott, for $5. Thank you so much for that. And then in our Amazon high piece count we bought a while back, we got like 3 of these different kinds of things. And of course, school, at least in the Midwest, is coming back into session as little as in 2 weeks. This could be the reason why it was purchased, I'm not sure. But this is the electronic alphabet wall chart. It says here, interactive learning poster. And it's going out to Sharon. Hi, Sharon, for $7.46. Again, this is a something that was an Amazon high piece count. It's a talking poster. It includes various popular songs, language switch buttons, automated quizzes, numbers, and letters. This poster will make your little one sing, dance, and learn. So this is going out to you, Sharon. Thank you so much for that. And then I always love, one of my favorite things, I never had them growing up, except my mom had a small box of them. Don't know if they were personally owned. I don't know how they obtained them. But I loved to play with, you know, the little bit that they had. I never really had any characteristic based ones, but I love Legos. Legos are so cool, and it's endless to play with. I know my granddaughter, my first granddaughter and my third granddaughter, they have collections, especially of Disney, this in particular, and they enjoy putting those together with their dad. But this is a 2019 Lego Toy Story 4 Buzz and Woody Carnival Mania, and it's going out to Billy. Hi, Billy, for $26.93. Very enjoyable, collectible, 230 pieces, bunches of fun. They can play as if they're going through, you know, a carnival and having a good time and playing with all the characters. And hopefully they've got even the other sets that go along with it. Be total bunches of fun. Thank you so much, guys. Going out to you in the AM. And then for action figures, this happened to be on the DCM, which we call it the DCM. It's DC and Marvel shelf, on shelf 4. This is the 2015 Ultimate Spider-Man versus Marvel Sandman. It's a 2-pack, and it's going out to Nico for $23.98. And this is actually another eBay international shipping item. So this one is going out overseas. We thank you so much, Nico, for that. This is going out to you in the morning. Very, very nice 2-pack there, but that is another international shipping. So glad we opted back into that. So we're selling quite a few items using the international shipping program. And like I said, to date so far, we have not had any issues with that, thank goodness. All right, and then something I love, I'm always grew up with Barbie. Had a lot of Barbies laying around. Didn't have a lot of accessories as a kid. My cousins, I know, had lots of different kinds. And when I would go stay at their house, I would really enjoy playing with their living room sets and the furniture and all the good stuff and the dream houses and all of that. But this is the Barbie You Can Be Anything series. This is the cake decorating playset. Oh, my mom would have probably died to have that. She used to do cake decorating when she was alive, and this would have been so much fun to play with. And this is going out to Becky. Hi, Becky, for $24.74. I love the fact Barbie has, you know, her little setup here behind the counter. It has the Play-Dohs that you can make different things with the cakes. The little counter case here showcasing the cakes. It just looks so awesome and hours of fun. So yes, Becky, this is going out to you in the AM. Thank you so much for that. And then we got one more, guys, from Poshmark. And you know what? As soon as I hit play, I actually forgot to grab it. So I'm going to do a beeline real quick and see if I can find it. Actually, I'm going to take you along with me. How about that? Why should you stand here, right? You should come along with me. So I'm going to go look for it really fast and then show it to you guys. This is one that we got in a Target palette. And no, actually, I'm wrong. It was a mixed palette, and it had some Disney store included. And it was just a couple things, and Daren thought, oh, this is probably only worth a couple bucks, nothing big. And we were actually going to give one to our grandkid, but they didn't really want it. And I looked up and said, well, let's not just, you know, just throw it to the side. This could be something pretty cool. And I looked it up, and it's worth some money because the Frozen 2 movie, I'm not seeing it here, guys. The Frozen 2 movie has already come out, and this wasn't for the Frozen 2. It was actually for the original Frozen. And so I'm so glad I have one left. I bet you anything the Tiara is not even in the toy barn. It is probably, I'm guessing, probably in our other area in our storage as well. So I will probably have to look. So sorry, guys, about that. But hey, at least you got to see, you know, a walk through the toy barn today. So there we go, right? Anyway, it is the Disney Frozen Tiara from the movie Frozen. And it went out on Poshmark. It sold on Poshmark. Again, we have one left. And it sold to a buyer. I don't know because it said guest. And it sold for $29 plus shipping to boot. So thank you so much. But yeah, it was a guest that actually, a buyer guest, that probably doesn't have a Poshmark account that purchased the item. So I will make sure I show that off to you guys. Ah! You guys are so magical. I just saw it right here. Can you believe that? I'm going to show it off to you. Here we go. How did we do that, guys? You guys are amazing. You're magical to me. Thank you so much. You guys just make me smile. You don't even know it on the other side of the TV, but you make me smile. Thank you so much. This is it. The Disney, I knew it was here in the toy barn, the Disney Frozen Queen Anna Tiara. Beautiful, too. And of course, it has the little combs that they can stick gently in their hair to keep it in place. But yeah, so it's from the actual Frozen movie, not the Frozen 2, for Queen Anna. And it's so beautiful, so nice. And it came from a mixed palette. Like I said, that some of the Disney store stuff got included with it. So I have one more. If you're interested, check it out on eBay. Macari, enter Poshmark on our stores fast, because I'm sure once people see this, they're going to want to grab it for their little girl, either for seasonal, for dress up, or what have you. So thank you guys, all that. So that's all I have here for the 12. Like I said, guys, we have more in queue, about 12 to 14 more in queue that we're going to show in the next video, and of course more sales. If you guys want to know our how we're doing on sales, it's a roller coaster ride. It's still we're staying kind of the same as far as how many sales we're getting today. It's increased a little, not enough to talk about, but it is kind of going back up. But last week was just, and early this past week was just, to me, disaster mode. Again, you can tell when eBay is playing with their website and kind of moving stuff around and having 404 errors and stuff. So it is picking back up some. We're still hoping that even if we can't get a fourth quarter month by the end of the month, that we'll still have a pretty cool, hard, comparable, even better than the last couple of years, third quarter month. So we're hoping for that, and that's what we're gaining towards. I did get a little update. I talked to my son's wife that is going to be handling the yard sale in Bloomington. She did call me, and we're going to try to shoot for the August 10th, August 11th, and August 12th for the yard sale that I will be a part of. And of course, we're going to have a lot of liquidated items in there. Of course, there's going to be a couple of other people that are going to have their items in there as well, which is beautiful. The more the merrier. But I'm really talking to you guys about this for the liquidation purposes. If you're wanting to gain something for your liquidation, for your reselling at a good price, and you are locally in the area, I'm going to start putting some things out about that and get things going for the advertisement. But yes, so it would be on a Thursday, August 10th, Friday, August 11th, and Saturday, August 12th, 3 days. And we're going to try to sell as much as we can. A lot of it is leftover liquidation. Like I said, if I have 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 items of something, I want to liquidate it down a little bit so I can make room for the newer stuff and more of the variety stuff, so that way we can have all of the above and then some. So that is what we're focused on. Also too, guys, if you notice, I wore another Christmas shirt. I know we're winding down in a couple weeks. That'll be over with, so I'm gonna have to tuck those Christmas outfits in until Christmas time, right until November, December, and then hopefully, you know, in the next couple months, I'll be rocking out the fall items and bringing those out, because I love fall. Fall is one of my favorite times of year, and not just winter, and, you know, of course, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all of that. So excited about that, guys. Again, we love and appreciate everything you do for us. You know, we enjoy your comments. We love doing the shorts. We love seeing you guys there and watching all the videos and what we're presenting and our reveals when we open up our case packs. It's so much fun, and we really do appreciate you guys being a part of us. I don't have anything else left, guys. I'm going to go into the house and pack these 12 items and get things ready for the AM and start processing orders for the next video. But until then, guys, we love you. Take care. Bye-bye.